oxtail and vinegar. Alright guys, let's start.
This is my oxtail that I'm going to use. This is about 3 pounds of oxtail. Before you cook your oxtail, you want to wash your oxtail. You want to wash your oxtail with some vinegar or some lemon juice. Alright, is what a lemon juice or vinegar. Okay? Once you wash your oxtail, then you're going to start to season it up now. You're going to season it up with some black pepper. You can use like a half a teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to use some oxtail season. You can use like a tablespoon of oxtail season. Okay? Then you can use some chili powder. You don't have to use the chili powder, but I like the chili powder in it. You can use half a teaspoon. Okay? You can use the fresh garlic or you can use the garlic powder. Okay, you can use like a tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay, the garlic powder help to cook the oxtail. Okay? Or guys, and this is a must, guys. This is a must. You have to use browning. Okay, so the browning is a must. Okay, you can use like a tablespoon or a teaspoon of garlic. You don't want to, you don't want your oxtail to too dark, but you definitely want some color. So you can use a tablespoon or a teaspoon. Okay, whatever your heart desire. All right. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I want to show you the season that I'm going to use, guys. All of this is my season, guys. This is my scallion and my sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. We call it sweet pepper in Jamaica, but here is bell pepper, okay? And this is the thyme, okay? I'm not going to use all of this thyme. I'm just showing you my thyme, okay? And this is my onion, guys, okay? And again, this is sweet pepper, but in different color, okay? And you want to use a little piece of ginger, okay? And you want to use some carrot. You can use the canned carrot or you can use the fresh carrot, all right? And here, I want to show you. In Jamaica, we use this seasoned salt. You can use the Jamaican seasoned salt, like you can use a teaspoon or a tablespoon of your seasoned salt. But if you don't have the Jamaican one, you can use the all-purpose. You can use the all-purpose seasoned salt. Okay? All right. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to wash mine and show you in the sink right now. Okay? All right. Come on with me, guys. I'm throwing my vinegar now, guys. I'm washing my oxtail, so now I'm going to throw my vinegar. So that's my vinegar for my oxtail. You want to make sure you wash off the oxtail. You know, you buy it from the meat market and anything on it, bacteria or whatever, you want to wash that off with some vinegar or some lemon juice, you know. I'm going to do it one more time again. Okay, so now I'm just going to drain it. I'm going to drain it. Yeah. Alright, so that's it. And if you want to put, you can tip a little tip of vinegar. You know, just a little tip, like maybe a teaspoon into it. You know. So now I'm going to put my season in right now. I want to show you this step by step, guys, so you can, you know, you can do it too, step by step. I'm putting my oxtail season in right now. So this is my oxtail season. Now I'm putting in my everything that I'm putting in. I already show you to you already. So now I'm just season it up, because I already show you everything that I'm putting in right now. So you okay, Eden?
Yeah.
I'm sorry guys, my son is coughing. So now I'm going to put my garlic powder in. This garlic powder going to coat this oxtail for me and give it a nice taste, Now I'm going to put my browning in. The browning is the best part. Give it a nice, you don't want to put too much either, because you don't want it to get black, but you definitely want it to have some color. Okay, I'm not going to put this in because I already have my seasoned salt. Okay, so I'm going to use my seasoned salt to put in it. So now I'm going to put my seasoned salt in right now. I already showed you the seasoned salt, the Jamaican seasoned salt. That's what I'm going to put in it. I'm going to put like a teaspoon of seasoned salt in. But for you, you can put the all-purpose season. Because the all-purpose season have a lot of different season in it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to stir up everything together right now. And you know what you can do too? You can season it up and leave it for overnight. Leave it for overnight and make it soak. And if you're doing it and you feel like you want some more browning, you can put some more brown, but don't make it too black. That's, you don't want it too black, but you definitely want it to have the color. Like this, I'm going to put some more brown in. Alright, that will do it. Yeah. Alright guys. So once I finish seasoning this, I'm going to put this down for around 10 minutes. And then I'm going to start to, saute it a bit. Then once I finish saute it, then I'm going to put it to cook. Alright. Normal oxtail take a while. If it's soft, maybe 45 minutes. But if the oxtail tough, I would say an hour, sometimes even an hour and 20 minutes. Sometimes, depends on how soft the oxtail is. So sometimes you buy some oxtail and the oxtail really, really tough. Alright, so I'm going to put this down and then start to saute it a bit. Because, sometimes the fat on it, you definitely want to fry it a bit before you start to cook it down, Alright guys, so this is how you're seasoning your oxtail. Alright, so I'm going to saute it and show you what to do the next step. Alright. Okay guys, so now I'm going to, fry my oxtail a bit. So I just throw some oil in my pot. Okay. So that's more oil. That's my oil. Okay. Guys, I'm just sauteing the oxtail. Just fry out the fat out of it a little bit, because sometimes the oxtail is full of fat, so you just want to fry it out a little bit. Alright, so once you fry it out, then you're going to throw some water in it to make it cook the oxtail. Alright, so now we're going to just keep on turning it. Once it looks, you like it, fry a bit. Like you're frying chicken, but you're not really fry. You just saute it for maybe around 10 minutes, okay? Okay guys, so this is the vegetable guys. Alright, the season. So guys, I'm just cutting up the seasoning while my oxtail is sauteing. Okay. Alright guys. guys, just cut up your season. Okay. And you're not going to put your season now. Remember guys, you're not going to put the season right now in your oxtail, because the oxtail have to cook. Okay. Remember the oxtail have to cook. Guys, you can cut it up small or you can cut it up chunky. Depends on how you want it. Okay. Alright guys. So I'm just going to keep on cut up my vegetable to put in my my oxtail. Okay. So once I'm throwing the water in the oxtail, I'm going to show it to you. Okay guys. So see you shortly. So guys, now you can throw your water in now. Okay? So now I'm going to throw my water in. Okay? So remember guys, you have to throw a good amount of water in because you want your oxtail to cook. So guys, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put some more garlic powder in it. You know, because the garlic powder help to cook it. Okay, I'm going to put like a teaspoon of garlic powder. Because remember, I've already put garlic powder when I was seasoning it up. So I'm going to put like another teaspoon of garlic powder. Because now it's cooking right now, guys. Now I throw the water, so I'm going to leave it to cook. So just keep on testing it, guys. Because remember, it have to be soft and tender. Okay, so just keep on testing it. Alright? Okay, guys, we're going to leave it to cook. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna throw my season in, guys. Remember the season that I show you guys? I cut it up and now I'm putting it in my pot right now, guys. Okay. Alright, so this is my season and this is what I want to show you guys. My butter bean. This is my butter bean, guys. So I'm gonna put 1 can of butter bean. You don't have to put butter bean. If you want, you can put like Irish and so on, okay? So that's my butter bean. Okay, so you have two choices. You can put butter bean or you can put Irish, like potato, if you want to. So now I have some tomato here. I'm gonna put some tomato. You can use a fresh tomato if you want. Okay, so what I'm using the canned one. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my oxtail cook down with the season and everything, guys, because my oxtail already cooked. Keep on testing oxtail. You see that? You know it's cooked. Testing it, you will know if it cooked. Alright? Okay, so my oxtail been cooking for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's been cooking for. Alright, so now I'm leave it to cook down right now for about 10 more minutes and so on. Okay, so once it's finished, I will get back. Once it's finished, I will get back to you. Okay? This is the finished product, guys. The oxtail is finished. And this is it. Guys, if you watch the video and you like, please give it a thumbs up and share. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you want me to make something, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.